In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a reseller on Shein. Shein is a hugely popular online fashion retailer known for its wide array of chic styles at affordable prices. For entrepreneurs looking to capitalize on its popularity, becoming a reseller can be an exciting opportunity to both share Shein's fashion with a broader audience and grow your own business. Now, let's dive into the process of becoming a Shein reseller. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Shein's official website. Familiarizing yourself with their platform is a great first step. You'll want to understand the types of products they offer, the pricing, and the styles that are currently trending. This way, when you do become a reseller, you'll have a good sense of what might appeal most to your potential customers. Next, open up Google and type in "sell" on Shein Marketplace. This search is going to direct you to the exact resources needed to move forward. Here you will find Shein's official seller platform, giving you insights into how you can partner with them as a reseller. This resource is essential as it provides the foundational information you need to proceed with confidence. Once you've landed on the appropriate page, look for the Join Marketplace button. Clicking this will open up the pathway for you to begin the application process to become a Shein reseller. This step is crucial as it's the gateway to officially partnering with Shein. After clicking Join Marketplace, you'll need to fill out the necessary details on the application form. This includes providing information about your business, such as your address, nature of the business, and any other pertinent details Shein requires. It's essential to be thorough and accurate here, as the application is Shein's way of understanding who their partners will be. If your application meets Shein's criteria, you'll receive approval from them, allowing you to start selling on their marketplace. It's worth noting that this approval is based on several factors, including your business's readiness and alignment with Shein's guidelines. Congratulations, once approved, you are now set to sell Shein products. With access to their marketplace, you can start putting together your own collections, showcasing Shein's fashion to your audience. Remember, the key to success as a reseller is to keep abreast of fashion trends, price your items competitively, and offer exemplary customer service. The journey might seem daunting at first, but with persistence, you can carve out a successful niche in the fashion resale market. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to become a reseller on Shein. We hope you found it helpful and inspiring.